Hello, my gardening family. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Of course, I always appreciate you and God bless you all. I just want to say a special thank you for, considering me, praying for me, reaching out, everything. I appreciate you. I am well. I'm in the best of health. To God be the glory. I hope you are too. I am currently dealing with a little time deadline kind of thing, so I am really on it. Hence, you will not be seeing me as often. Just need this time to just, get things together. I love and appreciate you all, and God bless you all. I am getting some of these Malabar spinach. A few of the leaves went to waste, a few of the bottom leaves. So, see, yeah. So I am getting all that I can from the bottom right now. These are so huge, very nice. These are bigger than the ones that we buy in the supermarket. And they are so lovely. Look at this one. Huge. I think I'll get just this for now. We are going to get some of these red stem ones as well. The same Malabar spinach, just red stem. Beautiful. And I realized that these are a little firmer than the green ones. In my opinion, that is. I am taking off most of the big leaves. Give it a chance to spring up back. My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man. And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam. Please give me a thumbs up, share a comment with me, whether hi, a little heart, a question, something, all right? Thank you so much in advance. What it does, it allows the YouTube algorithm to push my videos out there when you interact with them. All right. So, yeah, thank you so much and God bless you. Getting some of these red callaloo, and I am going to get some green ones as well. Harvest them like this so that I can always come back for more. These will continue to grow. And the more tender you harvest them, the better they taste. So let's get these green ones. I just got these green ones from beside these red ones. And it's when I came up here just now, I realized that I was recording. But I got these, and I'm going to get these here as well. I get it here. So these will continue to grow. So I will have a continuous supply when I harvest them like that, instead of rooting them all out. I have a few sweet peppers that I want to get here as well. They're not so big. The plants are trickling down, but I am forever grateful. It's so red and nice. I have this little one right here that I want to get as well. Nice. I have two other peppers right here. Oh, I need the scissors for this one. Nice and firm. This one is so red and nice. Nice. Gonna get these few cayenne peppers right here as well. The plant is trickling down, so they are getting smaller. So I think I'm going to prune back these plants and let them start afresh. That's a bell pepper right here, or a sweet pepper. Getting these two peppers as well. I was supposed to get this white eggplant from before. I hope it doesn't taste bitter. It is small, but still usable. Such a cutie. I am getting this pomegranate right here. Nice. Heavy as well. You can tell that it is pretty much juicy inside. Getting this burgundy okra. What would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place we live, sweet jam.